All right. Scholars, this is level 16 vocabulary idioms 2 sheet R. Please make sure you're on the right page. This one starts once in a blue moon, and then this season our football team. So it asks us to read each passage below and underline the idioms. Then answer the questions using complete sentences. So I'll do this one together with you, and then you're going to do this one by yourself. Do not worry about the star down here. Please copy down what I write or do this on your own because I need something filled in for both parts. So this is number 1. Once in a blue moon, Jack's uncle visits us in the city. When he is there, he feels like a fish out of water because he lives in a quiet country town. After a few days, the noise of the city begins to drive him up a wall and he heads back home. So it wants us to underline the idioms. So once in a blue moon, Jack's uncle visits us in the city. When he is there, he feels like a fish out of water because he lives in a quiet country town. After a few days, the noise of the city begins to drive him up a wall and he heads back home. So does Jack's uncle visit the city often? How do you know? So I'm going to say no, he doesn't, because it says once in a blue moon. So no, because blue moons don't happen often. All right, in your own words, explain how Jack's uncle feels when he visits the city. So it says he feels like a fish out of water. If a fish needs water, it can't breathe out of water. Jack's uncle probably doesn't feel very good if he's feeling like a fish out of water. So I'm going to say Jack's uncle feels uncomfortable in the city. Okay? The noise of the city drives him up a wall. What does this mean? It means, so if I'm being driven up a wall, that's not something that can actually happen. Nobody's actually going to go up a wall. But it kind of reminds me of like, if you're stuck somewhere like in a room and you're trying to get out, you would go up the wall like you're going crazy, right? So I think that the noise drives him up a wall. It means that he doesn't like the noise. This means Jack's uncle does not like the noise in the city. Boom. All right, so you're going to do this on your own for this second part. This season, our football team started off on the wrong foot and we lost our first 3 games. Then we turned over a new leaf and started working harder. Our coach was proud that we did not throw in the towel. All right, so in your own words, explain how the football season started out. B, the team turned over a new leaf. What does this mean? And C, why was our coach proud of us? So go ahead and finish this second section. Once you finish this, you're done with your word work for this week. You can move on to Lexia, MobyMax, or you could read your book.